So a few days ago, this person came in and they said, "Do you have a grimoire?" Which is a witch's book of spells. And I said, "Actually, we do." And they said, "Oh, do you have Malleus Maleficarum?" And I said, "Malleus Maleficarum is not a grimoire. In fact, it's the book that was used against witches. It is the most sinister book ever written on witchcraft and demonology, and this is a copy from over 4 centuries ago, Malleus Maleficarum, or Hammer of the Witches, which was first printed in the late 1400s, and from about 1500 to about 1750, that was the witch hunting craze in Europe, and tens of thousands of people who were accused of witchcraft were put to death, mostly because of this book right here. Now, a grimoire, on the other hand, is a book like this. Now, this is a grimoire by Barrett called The Magus, and it is filled with magical spells. Now, the rarest of the rare on grimoire are handwritten copies, and this is my newest acquisition, a grimoire in German. How cool is that? Now, probably the spookiest one I have, just pure black magic, is this one right here, which belonged to a sorcerer, and it has 60 different spells for summoning demons right there. Now, again, this is a more common grimoire. You've probably heard, if you've studied this at all, about the Key of Solomon. There is a small grimoire right here, a little petite copy. Or what about this one? This one is called True Black Magic right there. So have you heard of the Necronomicon? The Necronomicon is a grimoire. This is my copy, and I personally think it's one of the coolest looking ones in the world. Now, the Necronomicon, the history on that, H.P. Lovecraft, Aleister Crowley, right there, the Necronomicon. This one has a special binding on it, and this one also has a 4-edge painting, and if you come take a look, you will see Cthulhu up here, right here. And then disappears. So that's pretty cool. So I have people ask all the time, do those grimoires work? That's like asking somebody if a piano works. It depends on who's playing it. So a few days ago,